you thought the two-stroke was dead? Think again. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that some classics never go out of style. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into what might be the most exciting iteration of this legendary motocross machine yet. Design. Yamaha's kept the YZ125's iconic silhouette while refining the details that matter. The 2026 model features updated graphics with sharper lines and aggressive styling that commands attention on the track. The lightweight aluminum frame maintains that nimble feel the YZ125 is famous for, while new ergonomics provide better rider connection and control. At just 198 pounds, this bike feels like an extension of your body. Performance. Let's talk about what really matters, that legendary two-stroke power plant. The 124cc liquid-cooled engine delivers that crisp, responsive power delivery enthusiasts crave. Yamaha's refined the power band for 2026, offering stronger low-end punch while maintaining that screaming top-end rush. The 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, and the upgraded clutch provides excellent feel and durability. Whether you're carving berms or clearing jumps, this engine responds instantly to every throttle input. Features and technology. The suspension setup is race-ready right out of the crate. Fully adjustable KYB components, front and rear, let you dial in your perfect setup. The braking system offers excellent stopping power with good modulation, crucial for late braking into corners. Yamaha's also improved the air filtration system for easier maintenance and better engine protection. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that two-stroke magic is alive and well. It's pure, unfiltered motocross joy. What do you think about the YZ125? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.